Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade, and taking a look here at the markets. I'll tell you this first, I've been trading in the live markets for 27 years, and I do own a hedge fund. I want to share with you the weekly charts here on the ETF, major ETFs, exchange traded funds on the major indexes, because they tell us a lot. They not only give us price action, but they give us volume. Volume is very important because volume confirms price action. Price action is something that's very important to us, especially after we see extreme lows and if we start to see extreme highs. At this moment, the last few weeks we've been going up, with Trump stopping several wars now in a row. That has sent the market straight up. Fear has dropped straight down. This is a weekly chart on the VIX. Let me show you this. The weekly chart on the VIX is down. The fear is tracking at 16. Guys, that's really low. There's no fear out there today. Spider weekly chart. If I go back to this, last week, boom, to the upside, looking really good, making all-time record highs. If you go over here to the diamonds, the problem with the diamonds is we just smashed into resistance, but this could be a triangle. In other words, this could be a breakout triangle ready to rock and roll. Let's watch for that on the diamonds. Qs, if you look at this, same thing. We're at a major area of resistance, but we're at an all-time record high. Isn't that interesting? Big pop. If you go to the Russell 2000, down, up, you'll see these lines coming across. This is called the Fibonacci retracement lines. I got that on TradingView over here to the left, but I pulled the Fibonacci's down. Doing that, we're at 61.8. This is an area you can and might see sellers. This is the last bastion of hope for this to be an area to start shorting the markets. However, if we blast through the 61.8 Fibonacci, the chances of us getting down here to these lows anytime soon are not that likely. Financials tell us a lot. We go over here to the financials weekly chart. We have not made all-time highs yet, and we have a lot of upside resistance. But this little bull flag, almost bullish pennant, is starting to head higher. There is a intrinsic problem with this bull flag or pennant on the weekly chart, and that is it's lower than the previous swing highs. So that gives us less likely on confidence that we're going to see follow through to the upside. Now, if we can get to this high, which we are now, and then blast through it, we have those trend lines to deal with. If we can get through that, the markets are going to get on fire. Fuego. Statistically speaking, going into the summer months, trade into May and then go away, that hasn't been playing out so far. Normally, the summer months tend to be a little more volatile, a little more bearish. At this moment, we're not seeing it. US dollar weekly chart, down, breaking all sorts of lows. Big time low. Gold weekly chart, broke a major support line on a weekly. This looks like a sell opportunity. Silver looks a little better to me. It's topping, but it's pulling back. This is just a nice bull pullback, giving us a buy opportunity here soon. Quick look here at Bitcoin, which is up the time of this video on Sunday, over $107,000. Had a nice little pullback the last month or so, and now it's rallying back higher. So we do have the 101 class. It is free. Be sure to take the 101s. And for those that are ready to increase your trajectory in responsible trading, we do mentor individuals. We just ask that you go through the 101s first. Once you go through that, we'll have you go through the 201s, and after that, you'll get into the mentorship. Happy to talk with you about the different packages we have. With that said, if you like it, I didn't run any ads on this video. That by itself should be worth a big fat thumbs up. And for all those that gave me condolences for me and my family for the loss of my mother-in-law, a big heartfelt thank you. You guys are the best. Much love. Take care. Guys, why are you still here?
You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. For learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you were going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle in with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you're a trader, you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.